Hey folks, warming up across especially the upper valley today where readings have climbed well up into the 80s, 88 in Rio Grande City, 84 in McAllen. But as you move eastward, it's not quite as hot. 80 in Weslaco, 76 in Port Isabel right now under mainly cloudy skies, even a few sprinkles out there, although nothing heavy. Overnight tonight, we cool off, but not very much. Lows should be right around 70 in the upper valley, upper 60s in the lower valley. Again, 10% chance of a sprinkle or two, nothing major expected. And then tomorrow, look at these numbers. 94 in McAllen, 93 in Weslaco. At the coast, cooler, about 77 at the beach. The winds southeast to kind of southwest and west. And once you get that wind coming off the mountains of Mexico, we really do warm up. Now, there'll be a front in the neighborhood on Sunday, but it's probably not going to go through. So what it'll do is just get close enough to let temperatures kind of go back down to where we are now, above normal, but cooler than that 93. The record tomorrow's 91, so more than likely we will set a new record high tomorrow afternoon. Across the valley, cloud-wise, there have been plenty, and there will be plenty tonight into early tomorrow. But by tomorrow afternoon, I think we end up with sunshine, and with that sunshine, very warm temperatures across the region. And again, the southerly winds ahead of that front. Well, the front kind of gets into the neighborhood on Saturday night and Sunday, but then stalls and actually pushes back to the north a little bit. But it's close enough to keep some clouds around on Sunday, slightly cooler temperatures, and maybe a brief shower in a couple of spots, but not a lot. Maybe some late day sunshine, but not a lot. Then we go into Monday and still more clouds. Notice this word fog hasn't left the coast. It'll be on and off, but it'll be there from time to time. Monday, we're still warm, that front to the north, so we stay on the warm side of things, so we don't see a cool down probably until the end of next week. In the meantime, we're dry tomorrow. It could be a sprinkle, but I think it's only 10% chance on Sunday. On Monday, about a 20% probability. Rest of South Texas, 84 right now in Laredo, 79 in San Antonio. Victoria is 74. Go a little wider, 70s all the way up to Dallas, but look, there's your boundary. Only 52 in Oklahoma City and in Little Rock, so the warm temperatures will fade over the next few days across Texas. Satellite picture shows a lot of clouds moving across the state. And late tonight into tomorrow, we expect some pretty good thunderstorms to the north of us. And then Saturday night into Sunday, some big storms, again, well to the north of us. Nothing expected here. Here we've got the stalling front, a front that just sits there just a little bit to the north, so a lot of Texas cools off a little bit. We do not. We stay in the 80s after tomorrow for probably most of next week. The front just kind of hangs out right there. Ultimately, we do get a front through here, but it's probably not going to be until the very end of next week. So until then, we just stay warm and humid, and then perhaps Friday night into Saturday, maybe then we'll see some cooler air come into the region sometime a week from now or so. Look at Texas tomorrow. Dallas in the morning, 62 with some sun, but here's your line of thunderstorms first thing in the morning, staying well to the north of us, probably north of San Antonio and Houston as well, at least the severe stuff. Could be some rain in Houston, but again, the bad weather, really nasty stuff stays north of that part of Texas. Dallas, though, could see some strong storms tomorrow. As far as temperatures go, we're back again into the 90s here by 3 o'clock. Brownsville about 86, San Antonio at 81, Dallas cooler at 73 tomorrow afternoon. So your First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast for tonight, mostly cloudy skies, rather muggy, south-southeasterly winds, 70 for your low temperature. Then tomorrow back to 93, some early clouds, but then some afternoon sunshine, southeasterly winds back around to the southwest and even west during the afternoon. So 93, we get back to our normal southeast wind on Sunday, so 86, 84 on Monday. We stay in the 80s, and then Friday we see a cool down, courtesy of that next front, only 68 degrees on Friday. This is the weekend. You set the clock forward. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.